How to handle first date rejection. Did you finally work up the courage to ask a girl on a date? If so, good for you. This is truly a step in the right direction. Now, the first step in jumping into the dating scene is asking. But what if you received a no? What does it mean? Find out some tips on how to handle a first date rejection. Now, here's the scenario. You like a girl from school. You ask her to join you for a movie, but you were turned down. What do? It's important to gauge the no answer. Does she outright say no? Does she say she is busy this weekend, or maybe the next? If the girl says maybe next time, do not give up. There is still hope for you. On the other hand, if she outright says no, you may feel like running away and embarrassment, but don't do it. Casually say, I'll let you know if it's good. Scenario. If you ask a woman to join you from work for dinner and she said no, what do? Once again, you should gauge her answer. Did she outright say no? Did she say she didn't like seafood? If you get a no because a woman doesn't like your choice in restaurants, offer another suggestion. In fact, say, I'm really not a picky eater. If you would like, you could pick the restaurant. Wait to see what she has to say. If she says yes, good. If she says no, it's time to move on. Scenario. You ask a girl from school to join you at the beach, but she said no. What do? Now, as always, you should gauge the answer no. Also, look at her body language and consider her tone. Is she disappointed, or is she truly not interested? A girl who shows disappointment may be interested in you, but she may not like your suggestion of an afternoon at the beach. In terms of teens, know that most girls are fearful about their body. They may fear you seeing them in a bathing suit. If you get that type of vibe, suggest something else, like a movie. Scenario. You asked a woman at the office to join you for drinks after work. She said no. Now what? When it comes to workplace relationships, there are a number of factors to take into consideration. A coworker may be interested in you, but she may fear workplace gossip or worry about her job. Never pressure a coworker into a date, but don't be afraid. Ask for a date in private and suggest a bar away from work so that you will not run into other coworkers. Plans should be taken into consideration. Does your coworker say, I would love to, but I have other plans? This means you still have hope. It is easy to ask a coworker out for drinks or dinner after a long day of work, but she may have other plans. On Tuesday, suggest meeting after work on Friday. As highlighted before, you may receive a no to a first date offer in many scenarios. Before giving up all hope, consider her reaction. There may be still hope for you. If not, brush yourself off and move on. It is a tacky old age saying, but there are other fish in the sea.